Hello friends, welcome to Pharma Study channel with Sapna. Today we will see very important point as exam point of view in DSBM syllabus. DSBM is mainly divided in two parts, that is commerce and accounting. On accounting only 16 marks questions are asked as numerical problems are given, and in case of commerce 64 marks questions are asked mainly. So in detail we will see mainly different types of questions are asked in the exam, that is a short answer question, long answer questions, write a short notes and write difference between. These are the different types of questions are asked in the exam. So we will discuss different types of questions which are asked in the exam. In case of short notes and long answer, different points are I have enlisted which are very important as exam point of view. Prepare all these points. First one is a salesmanship codification. You have to prepare the salesmanship codification. It is very important. These are the repeated questions. Mail order business, window display, petty cash book, financial planning, balance sheet, budgetary control, profit and loss account, bookkeeping, different kinds of account, VED analysis, that is a VED analysis, budgeting, lead time, separate entity concept, double entry system, trial balance, EOQ, that is a economic order quantity, source of finance, sales promotion, cash book, market research, recruitment. In these different methods are asked. Training, sole proprietorship, joint Hindu family welfare, cooperative society, joint stock company, partnership, business organization and their forms, pharmaceutical management, definition and its adjective, trade, industry. These are very important points which are always asked in the exam. These are the repeated questions. So prepare all these questions in well manner. This is all about the short notes and long answers. Now we will discuss next question, that is a difference between and different definitions. Next important point is a definitions. In the exam different definitions are asked for the different for 1 mark or 2 marks question, and in other short questions and long questions first you have to define that term and then you have to write the answer. So prepare all these definitions. These are very important definitions. First, recruitment, training, book of original entry, inventory control, trade, firm, entrepot trade, trial balance, scrap, safety stock, business, mail order business, bank, liabilities, ordering cost, liabilities, inventory carrying cost, accounting concept, accounting conventions, finance, budget, master budget, balance sheet, insolvency, sales, promotion, advertisement, overdraft facility, transactions, cash credit facility, assets, documenting of bills, purchasing, debentures, petty cash book, capital, codification, share, commerce, business organization, contract, purchase order, that is a PO, inventory, check, scrap, surplus, budget, lead time, buffer stock and Dell creditor agent. All these definition I have already provided to you. Already I have uploaded video. Please refer that for your convenience and better understanding. So prepare all these definition in well manner. These are very important definitions. They may be asked separately or in every and each questions you have to write first definition and then you have to elaborate that questions. About 15 to 20 marks are covered here in the definitions. Now next third important point is a difference between. It is a very important point in the exam. Difference between question is always asked, and these are very repeated questions. So prepare all this, and already I have provided this difference between with answers. I have given all the differences in separate video. Refer that video. First, departmental stores and multiple shops, journal and ledger, difference between journal and ledger, difference between company and partnership firm, difference between balance sheet, profit and loss account, trial balance and balance sheet, overdraft facility and cash credit facility. Next is a private company and public company, general partnership and limited partnership, wholesaler and retailer, inventory control techniques, that is A, B, C techniques. Here you have to differentiate these three techniques. Next is a different types of account, that is a current account, saving account and fixed deposit account. You have to differentiate these three accounts here. Prepare this question also well, don't forget to prepare this. And one more question is asked in the exam, that is based on accounting. Different problems are there that you have to solve. So here we have discussed different types of questions, that is a short answer, long answer, and difference between different definitions. These are very important. So prepare all these questions. All the best for your exam preparation. Do well. And thank you for watching my channel. Please give your likes and comments. I think it will be very beneficial for you for exam preparation. Thank you.